I think I messed up, but not with my choice of beans. Let's dive into choosing the best beans for your garden space. Let's start with pole beans. These climbing champs can reach up to 10 feet tall, perfect if you're dealing with a small garden or raised beds. With pole beans, you grow vertically, using trellises or fences, saving that precious ground space for other crops. Think of it as building a bean skyscraper. On the flip side, if you've got a bit more ground to work with, bush beans are your go-to. These compact plants don't need any support, making them ideal for larger plots. You can plant them in rows, and they'll give you a quick harvest without the hassle of vertical supports. It's like having a bean neighborhood right in your garden. So, which is better for you? Well, it all depends on your garden setup. Pole beans for small spaces, think vertical, and bush beans for larger plots where you can spread out. Both options promise a bountiful harvest if you play to their strengths. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!